can't help watching this little girl. She just had this nice stance. And this, of course, as soon as I turned the phone on to record, she moved. But man, she looks so good. Oh, I'm so happy with her. So pleased with her. She's got a nice rear. Her she wants some water. She can't get up, she's so short. Her fronts are a little I forgot the term of it, but that's okay. She's still young, so I'm not tripping. But she's got a nice top line, a full tail, nice muscle definition. Look how second choice just moved. That was pretty nice. Of course, his mama, you know, she's got nice movement too. So I never seen Hollywood move, so I couldn't say. But Hollywood's mother's a bulldog, so you know. But Shawty Lowe's looking like she might be a little bit cowhocked, but you know, not really much of a problem to me. I mean, you know, for showing that wouldn't be the best thing ever, but you know, especially with her and such her tiny frame, man, I'm loving it. I'm loving it. Now he wants to go to town. Once she started showing some attention, he had to get him a nice bath. I've been had him in the house since he sold, but I had to wash him one more time, so he's nice and clean for the road trip he's about to go on. But man, Shawty Low. Shawty Low. Let me see, turn around, girl. Do that stance you did. She about to use the bathroom? She look like she about to use the bathroom. Yeah, see, you see her little back feet. She's a little bit cowhide. But that's cool, though. Especially being how small she is. She's trying to size them up. Gr.Ch signing off, baby.